Hi everybody, Jason with Course Motorsports here. Today we're sitting in a 1997 Jeep Cherokee. We're going to be doing an installation of our direct fit phone mount. To do the installation, you'll need, you can use a plastic trim tool or you can use your hands, and it'll be handy to have a 3/8 inch wrench. We're going to be putting the phone mount just to the right side of the radio. This particular phone mount is a pressure fit, so as you'll see that you could technically put it anywhere, but I'm going to show you the ideal place. So to be able to take this bezel off, you just simply reach down to the very bottom, each corner. You can kind of feel the edge of where this black piece goes under, and you just pull forward. It's only held on with clips. And we'll snake it out of here. And there's your clips, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're going to take your phone mount and we're going to go to the right side of the radio, and with the upper clip we're just going to line up the upper portion of the phone mount with the upper portion of the clip base. It can be approximate, doesn't have to be 100%, and then squeeze it down over the trim. And we're going to snake this back here in front of the shifter, line all your clips up, pop it all back in. Just like that. Next, you're gonna take, this kit comes with a 3/4 inch spacer. So we're gonna thread the spacer onto the press fit stud on the mount by hand. And then we'll take our 3/8 wrench and just snug it down a little bit. Then you'll take your box containing the head option that you chose. We'll open this up. Inside we're gonna find a Course Motorsports sticker. This has a QR code on the back of it. That'll take you to our website. An alcohol prep pad. You would use that to adhere the sticky back steel ring to the back of your phone or case if you didn't have a MagSafe Apple phone. MagSafe magnetic head, a 17mm aluminum ball, and an Allen wrench. We're going to remove the ball and Allen wrench first. Thread the ball onto the pre-installed ball spacer, and then take the included Allen wrench and snug the ball down. Just like that. We're going to take the MagSafe magnetic head, take the locking collar off of it, drop it over the ball, and then push the head onto the ball. And you will start the threads of your locking collar. This is where you can aim so that you're happy with the viewing angle. Tighten the locking collar down. This is where now you would put the adhesive backed steel ring on the back of your phone. This happens to be a MagSafe phone with a MagSafe case, so you simply just put it on, and that's all there is to it.